Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Electric Cuts, and today we're going to be doing a mod on this Tacoma. It's going to be a simple mod. What's it going to be? Is it going to be tires? Is it going to be rims? Is it going to be a new grill, headlights, fog lights? This is a base Tacoma, by the way, guys, and it's not going to be anything like that. It's going to be something really simple. It's going to be here on the back of the truck. We're going to be doing some lettering on the back of this Tacoma. So stay tuned guys, and we're going to show you how we're going to do this. Okay guys, so here are the letters for the Tacoma. I got these online on eBay for about $9, and I was super excited, and I came and put them on here. I've seen so many videos of the Tacoma lettering being installed, so I came on here and I'm like, yeah, it's going to be a simple insert, and to my surprise, the letters don't match up. So, did I make a mistake? Maybe. Am I still gonna put them on? Yes. So what we're gonna do is we'll probably end up cutting. We're gonna take off this here, and then we're gonna cut there. We're gonna install the T, and then we're gonna cut here, and then we're gonna install the A, and then the C, and then the O, the M, the A. Some of these inserts, they come separate, so, and you have to install them individually, so it's not going to be a big deal. And actually the length of this is going to help me to level the letters and to seat them correctly and install them correctly. So stay tuned for that guys. Let me just get some equipment to go ahead and do that, and we'll see you in a bit. Okay guys, so we're gonna go ahead and install the first letter here. It's gonna be the letter T, and I actually should have cleaned this off with some alcohol, but some cheap letters, and it's actually pretty clean already. So we're gonna go ahead and install the first one, the letter T here. We're gonna match it up as well as we can. Let's see here. Oh. Okay. Let's see. That looks good. That looks good, right? Alright, let's see. I'm kind of a perfectionist guy, so I want to get this perfect. This might take me a little while. Let's see. Does that look good? Yeah. Right. We'll go ahead and put that one on there. First letter's on. Okay. And go ahead and peel that down. Whoa, don't want to peel it too hard. Get some of the plastic off of that. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Now let's go ahead and do the letter A. At least it wasn't misspelled, right? That would have been really bad. I think for $9, according to everybody else, it's like 20 to 30 to 40 bucks on Amazon. So this is actually a pretty good deal, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and install the A on here. Let's see this here. How does that look? Let's try to get it perfect on there. Look good? Looks good enough, right? Yeah. Let's put that on there. Oh. There's the A. Looks pretty good. There's the C. Nice. I'm going to try to tear this one off. that look? And you gotta be careful when you're peeling these guys. I've noticed that I've kind of pulled off a little bit of the paint here, the black paint. You just take your time, pull it off slowly. Don't rush it. Just go slow, so you don't tear the paint off the letters. Kind of drag it onto the paint like that. Helps you have a little more control as how fast you're peeling it off. Okay, there's the C. And it's almost impossible to get this wrong, guys. They pretty much sit right where they're supposed to. Unless you're blind or under the influence of something, you're not going to get this wrong. Go ahead and get the O installed on here. We're just going to drag it slowly so we don't pull that paint off the lettering. Here's the O. Let's get the M on here. It does take a little bit longer than if they were already all matched up with the sizes, but like I said, some of these letters, they they come separately, so you actually have to install them one by one. I know the metal ones usually do. These are plastic, but these are very, very similar, if not exactly the same as the ones that they put on from the factory. So for the price, I think you're getting a good deal. If you're getting factory style letters. I don't think the factory letters are in metal, as far as I know. They're just plastic. Now we're going to go with the last one, the last A. There we go. Try not to rush it so you don't pull the paint off. And there we have it, guys. That's the lettering on there. What do you think? How does it look? Make sure those are on there pretty good. Go ahead and comment down below, guys. Let me know what you think of the lettering. I think it adds a good touch, a nice touch to the truck. I think it looks pretty sweet. Comment down below, let me know what you think. And we'll be back with another video, guys. We're going to be also showing you another thing that I got in the mail. So stay tuned.